Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. In today's video, all the discussion would be about CPM, how to calculate and increase your YouTube CPM. First of all, we need to know what is CPM on YouTube. CPM, or cost per mile, shows how much advertisers pay content creators per 1,000 views. For instance, if you get 200,000 views and have a CPM that's $10.5, the video's total revenue is 2,100. That's not shabby. But this is your earning before revenue share. Unfortunately, YouTubers don't get to pocket it all. Otherwise, how would the world's second most popular search engine get paid? YouTube takes a whopping 45% cut, leaving your actual income at $1,155. Oh, and Uncle Sam takes a portion of that as well. Then throw on top that all views aren't monetized, so you may not receive payment for every pair of eyeballs watching your channel. In some cases, this leaves out tens of thousands of views from the calculation. Why does this happen? Because some views are repeat views and others don't count if they didn't watch for at least 30 seconds. The goal is to ensure you're getting real watchers, not bots who actually consume your content, not just a quick click. Fair enough. If you want to see your YouTube CPM, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard, then click Analytics to view your estimated monetized playbacks. What is the average YouTube CPM? This varies from day to day and year to year. It depends on the keywords the advertisers target and its costs. So you'll have some paying only 50 cents per 1,000 video views, while others $10 or more. There are many factors that play into CPM rates, including where you live, the length of your video, your industry, the size of your channel. Which industries have the highest CPM? They are affiliate marketing, investing, dropshipping, content creation, personal finance, VPN content, Amazon affiliates, website hosting, technical reviews, and web development. What causes YouTube CPM to change? Your YouTube CPM can change based on several factors, such as the time of year. If it's Black Friday, expect higher CPMs. Viewers' location. Advertisers can target viewers by location. Shifting ad formats. Video formats pay higher than static display ads. If you notice your CPM dropping, maybe it's a hike in views from a different geographic location. When this happens, the ads appearing will change, which may have lower CPM rates. So monitor these elements to pinpoint what the culprit may be. This way you can change your YouTube SEO strategy and content topics to boost your CPM. What can hurt your CPM on YouTube? Being non-advertiser friendly is the quickest way to hurt your CPM on YouTube. What does this mean? Creating content that's offensive, spread fake news, discuss sensitive political topics, or use profane language and images. So the goal, keep your YouTube channel family friendly. Also stay on top of YouTube's policies to ensure you're not breaking any rules. For example, their new anti-bullying and hate speech policy refrains content creators from using certain words and phrases. Use them and risk having your channel demonetized or even banned. But these aren't the only reasons your CPM can reduce. Here are several other factors. Number 1, your geographic location as listed on your YouTube channel. Number 2, seasonal changes affecting your niche. Number 3, how clean your videos are for consumption. Number 4, you make content for children. Number 5, your audience's age. Time to do some mathematics now. How to calculate your YouTube CPM? This can be termed as total payment for the ad divided by total number of views into 1,000 equals CPM. This means if you get $100 for the total payment of the ad and you got 50,000 views, that would be equal to 0.002 into 1,000, and that is $2. Each ad pays $2 per 1,000 views. Now coming to our last question, what we should aim at. We should aim at building a YouTube channel fit for advertising revenue. For many content creators, YouTube is a passion, but it's also potentially a lucrative revenue source. So if you're looking to grow your viewership and profits, then monitor your CPM. This dictates what works and what's not. Analyze the performance of your YouTube content, video views, and revenue to determine what topics and audiences to target. In most cases, if you can drive in a lots of traffic, then the advertisers will follow. So always put your audience first. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this video with your YouTube creator friends so that everyone gets this important information. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.